Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Experience installation can't continue error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, select the View tab on the top and select Show and select checkmark hidden items. Now double click on the program data folder. Now find NVIDIA Corporation folder, double click on it. Now double click on the downloader folder. In here you can able to see a folder with unusual names, just like this. You have multiple folder, then you just need to go and find the latest driver. In my case the driver is in this folder. You can also go to GeForce Experience and find the version guys by seeing here. In my case 475, and just need to go back to the folder and the starting of the file 475, as you can see. Now you just need to double click on the file and install it directly from here. Select yes, select OK. I already have the GeForce Experience, so I'm just selected NVIDIA graphics driver and select accept and continue. Select next, and it started installing. We have successfully installed the latest driver guys, as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.